Mm-hmm.
Damn it, I couldn't get that picture. That was perfect.
What?
You!
Take them Michael Jackson gloves off. Them dead Michael Jackson.
You was just standing there and just...
Take take them hee-hees off. Got him just pass the offering plate gloves. Them goddamn mom gloves.
You ain't shit.
Oh, directed traffic face ass. Oh god, that's funny. But at least you have them just in case, because they said there was baseball gloves. They're not baseball gloves. Those are golfing gloves.
At least you know the difference.
Yeah, because as soon as I opened them, I was like, these aren't baseball gloves. These are for golfing. That's a lie. They be lying.
They probably didn't know. They probably just put a descriptor.
I'm surprised they didn't put fucking garden gloves. They be doing the stupidest shit out there. These stems, you don't want to come out and get you a plant. You know you like to steal. You know you like to steal people's plants. This is nice. Oh, they got some wildflowers over there.
A little garden, a little shovel in my backpack.
Mm-hmm. And when that,
Yeah.
yep. Mm-hmm. Look about why the elephant ears gonna hurt back like that? Go, 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 go. Them old lady chasing us. Let me get a picture of you next to these elephant ears. Right here. I'm gonna make sure your eyes are open. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Open them goddamn eyes. Let me get up a little higher so I can get the water in the background. You know I got my stick so I can get up.
Quick.
Okay, 1. Keep your eyes open. 1, 2, 3. Keep your eyes open. Go. Okay, hold on. Let me get another angle. One, 2, 3. Eyes open. Gotcha. Okay. Okay.
Damn, I hate I missed that picture in the moment. Because you were just taking it all in.
Because it's so quiet and peaceful. It's beautiful out here.
Okay. You know I don't know angles.
Just take it.
I got you.
Okay. It's really nice. Jennifer, I really like this little area right here.
Yes.
She can bring her a little chair, sit out here and just read or just be out here.
I don't feel no buzz.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
You better come in the morning. Oh, not you. Don't make me laugh right now. I'm gonna fell down this hill. You know what I thought when I just felt that stink? Look, you know what I thought when you hit me? Them blindfolds be like, that's what it felt like if you just go like this. God damn, she blind now? The fuck? So now you blind. You weren't blind when that man walked past us though. I was once blind, now I can see. I didn't see all that. He's looking at his face. I'm so glad I found these damn sticks in the garage. I didn't know he saved them.
That's beautiful.
Mm-hmm.